I'm going to have some fun teaching you this song. I think you'll enjoy it too. The song is called Open Up, and it's a tapping song, a two-handed tapping song. Now, not too far back, real recent, I just wasn't very good at tapping. I'm still not that good. But anyone can start learning a song like this from ground zero. It's not hard. I can teach it to you in the next 5-10 minutes, and if you'll practice it, you'll dig it. You'll get it going. It'll be fun. There's a few basic strokes. The first one is just the hammer, pull off. Notice I'm pulling up. I'm not doing this. And you can use all different fingers, but I recommend you start with the first one. That's the gist of it. We're going to combine that with the basic rhythm is the same one over and over. Let me show it to you. Now the song's in 4/4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but we have groups of threes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We'll go to the E string sometime. It'll sound like this. Now pay particular attention to if we have a double stop like these two notes, which ones they are. Sometimes they're these, sometimes it's this, sometimes here, sometimes here, sometimes here. I don't need to tell you what the chords are right now, just watch the video and learn it. But the basic gist again is get the right hand rhythm going. I'll do it here. I'm sorry, here. Sorry, let me get back to where I'm at. There we go. Then watch this. Enough. I'm positive you're going to figure it out. By the way, if you're brand new to tapping, get started with this book here called Tapestry. I've had a lot of success with students doing this. And this song, Open Up, is actually from this book called Two-Handed Tapping with Charles. And the songs in here are just incredible. And there's a video, of course, with both books. You can watch. If you like what you're seeing here, get involved in some more. Now we'll go into the demonstration. I'll play the whole song for you. Okay? I'm actually playing two basses. One track of this bass and then another track of the vintage 51P bass. And I just blended it together to kind of get an ensemble sound. I think you'll dig it. Here it comes.